Mark to man their positions according to the combat schedule. Starboard the helm. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Missile launched at target.
Keeping watch.
Half ahead. Hard a port. Enemy ship detected. Establish visual contact.
I see a hit on the target. Keeping watch.
Fire at the enemy. The target destroyed. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Torpedoes standing by. Target hit. Equipment is battle ready. The target destroyed. Captain, the target has been captured. Establish visual contact.
I see a hit on the target. Establishing visual contact.
Fire on command. Combat Unit 2, ready to launch the missile. Enemy elimination confirmed. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact. Target hit. Torpedo launch authorized. Missile launched at target. The target destroyed. Captain, the target has been captured.
Establishing visual contact.